Have you ever felt like you're moving through life on autopilot, unsure of where you're headed or even why you're doing what you're doing? Like every day just blends into the next? If this sounds familiar, don't worry. You're not alone and you're definitely not stuck. It's easy to feel lost, especially in a world that's constantly telling us what we should be doing. Social media shows us snapshots of people's highlight reels, making it look like everyone else has their life figured out. And let's be real, they probably don't. But in those moments of confusion, it can feel like everyone else is miles ahead and we're left standing still. Imagine being 10 years down the line, looking back and realizing you never moved forward because you didn't know where to start. That's a nightmare most people try to ignore, but it's real. All right, now let's do something fun. Close your eyes. Seriously, I'll wait. Imagine yourself living the life you want. What do you see? Who's around you? And just out of curiosity, what's your bank account look like? So, what if I told you that feeling lost is actually the perfect place to start? Yes, it's uncomfortable, but discomfort is where the most growth happens. Think about it. Every successful person, every world changer you've ever heard of, they all started right where you are. They didn't have a roadmap either. Instead of seeing this time as lost, try seeing it as open. The beauty of not having a set path is that you have the freedom to make your own. Here's the secret. Start small. No one becomes great overnight. Try one new thing this week, just one. Read a book about a topic that interests you, pick up a new hobby, or start working on that idea you've had but were afraid to try. What's one thing you can do today? And no, binge watching another series doesn't count. Now imagine this. You're standing a year from now, and because you took those small steps, you're now on a path that's entirely your own, a path that looks nothing like anyone else's. The choice is yours. Stay in your comfort zone or step forward and take control of your life, one small action at a time. So, the next time you feel lost, remember, maybe you're not lost at all. Maybe, just maybe, you're exactly where you're meant to be, ready to create your own path. And the only question left is, what are you going to do about it?